Okay, so there is this bird that is outside my window, and it's really freaking annoying. And it's been doing this, it's been like squawking for like the past, I don't even know how long, and I don't know, like the past like 4 days, it's just been going outside my window. I don't know where the hell it is. I think it's in the tree outside my room, but I'm not even really sure because I don't even know. I can't see it when I look out the window. So what we're gonna do is we're going to sit here and I'm just gonna like let you listen to this damn bird. See, I'm assuming it's in the tree over there because it's not in that tree there because I can't see shit. No, there are birds in there. I don't know. That's not the bird though. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna wait until this thing squawks. Mainly this is for Emily because I keep telling her about this damn ass bird. So, yeah. Let's just sit here and wait for this dumb thing to do its squawking business. Because it will do it. It's been doing it for like 4 days straight. Probably edit this shit because this is obnoxious. Of course it's not doing it when I want it to, right? Oh. Come on, motherfucking bird. I know you're there. It sounds like like I don't even know. This bird has literally been outside my window for 3 days, and it squawks, and it goes like all damn night. Like, really. It goes, last night it went until like 2:30 in the morning, I'm pretty sure, because I woke up randomly and it was still there. It was still doing its retarded sounds. And now that I'm actually like looking for it and trying to get it on recording, it's not gonna be here. That's real cool. Come on, fucking bird.